In the 45th episode of the A.S.A.P Tech News, we talk about the new NeoForza DDR4 RAM kits which are running at both 5000 MHz and 4600 MHz. The Resident Evil 8 Village video game is reportedly working better without the DRM installed. MSI has a new series of liquid CPU coolers, and TeamGroup launched an 8TB M.2 SSD. We start with NeoForza, a company that belongs to Gold Key Technologies Corporations, and they have just announced several DDR4 RAM kits that are rated to work at upwards of 5000 MHz from the factory. These RAM kits are available in multiple frequencies and capacities, however, the top-of-the-line models are rated at 5000 MHz and 4600 MHz, and those are the subject of this news piece. The 5000 MHz rated kits are the NeoForza Mars and the NeoForza Faye. Both RAM kits are clocked at 5000 MHz with the cast latency of CL19, which is not really groundbreaking but not that bad either. It's just a good balance between the cast latency and the frequency. However, it is worth pointing out that at this time the cast timings for the kits that use just two 16GB modules are still being optimized for the best compatibility and performance across multiple platforms and motherboards. Thus, some timings might change with the retail units. And both kits have been tested by the company already to prove that it's not just a paper launch in terms of the performance. However, what you must understand is that such high speeds are only possible on select motherboards and CPUs, and some lower tier motherboards might not even boot with speeds that exceed 4600 MHz, if that. We continue with Resident Evil 8 Village, that video game that everyone raves about but I haven't played yet. And what has been revealed is that the game performs better without the DRM system, which means that the pirated version of this game is the superior game version in terms of the general gaming experience. This is nothing new, as many other games which use the now notorious de novo DRM are performing better when pirated, as the crack used to make the game work without activation will many times completely remove the DRM system and its components from the game code. Another thing that might make the pirated version of a game be the better version of that game is the exclusive items based on the retailer that is selling the game, and a lot of games have items that are only available for games both from X, Y and Z retailers. However, the pirated versions of those games have all the items unlocked. Why? Because the bypass used to make the game work without activation also unlocks all the retailer locked items. And now we have MSI and the Coreliquid CPU cooler series, which offers support for the new Intel LGA 1700 socket. The MAG Coreliquid C series and the MAG Coreliquid P series are the new CPU cooler series launched by MSI, all-in-one liquid CPU coolers that are made to perform and to look good. One of the advantages of these CPU coolers is that they are confirmed to be compatible with the upcoming Intel Alder Lake CPU series and the new LGA 1700 CPU socket. Other than that, these CPU coolers are similar with what we've been seeing this year for pretty much everyone. They use RGB fans which are available in multiple dimensions, and the coolers are sold in multiple variants based on the radiator size. These coolers are available with a 240, 280 and 360mm radiator. However, there are some differences. The MAG Coreliquid C has a lot of RGB integrated not only into the fans but also into the CPU cooler, while the MAG Coreliquid P series has no such things, and it is instead focused on raw performance and a lower price tag with an all-black stealth design. And on top of that, both CPU coolers share the overall shape and design, with the RGB implementation being the sole difference. And finally, we have TeamGroup, which has announced their new 8TB MP34Q M.2 SSD. This SSD uses QLC flash memory chips and the PCIe Gen 3x4 interface. This SSD also has a dual cache system with an SLC cache and a DRAM cache buffer. The advertised speeds are 3400 MB per second for the reads and 3000 MB per second for the writes. The 8TB MP34Q M.2 SSD is available for purchase with a 5-year warranty, and that's pretty much it about what we know about it so far. Hopefully the pricing will not be steep for these types of capacities and speeds. And this is the end of the episode number 45 of the A.S.A.P Tech News, one of the few tech news series which aims to deliver you the news as fast as possible for your convenience.